And I hope every one of y'all is doing well today. So this is Tuesday and it's around 3 a.m. Um this is our weekly analysis from the let's check the date, from the 6th until the 9th. So basically from the 5th till the 9th. But I'm only starting today to analyze the market. So without wasting any further time, I would just like for you guys to press the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button to keep getting more content like this. And if you're querying my experience and how good I am, please do go check out the previous videos, the weekly analysis and the recap of each, and see how I was able to get the trades that have helped me to get where I am today. So without wasting any further time again, let's get into it. So DXY, guys, so for this week, it's a new week plus the monthly has already it's a new month, right? And what did we say? We saw a double bottom happening on this level here around 89.57, right? And the previous month's June's candlestick respected the support and proceeded to the upside. Then as we go to the weekly, we can see the structure way better, and we haven't been able to reach the neckline. As you can see here, that's where we were aiming for the past week or so. And so far, we'll just need to go to the lower time frame to check and make sure, right, about our direction. So now I'm just gonna go to the daily to make sure. As you can see, it's a buy, looks like a buy. Looks like the dollar is going to continue with its strength until the neckline. And as you can see here as well, going to the upside. As you can see on the higher time frame, monthly it's a buy, and a weekly we have a buy. But also, guys, like I said, we're still considering this level here of 88.232, as the market never came back to retest this level. It just turned around the 89.274. So we're expecting somehow, I don't know how it's gonna happen honestly, guys, but price might just come here before initially continuing to go to the upside just to feel this price. But now we're obviously looking at the current market structure of what's happening in the market currently, and that's what helps with the weekly and daily. And as we look here, this level here of resistance was broken through, but then it rejected. After rejecting, the candlestick closed with below the resistance. So we could be possibly seeing a correction. This could be a slight correction, as also this looks like a cup formation, cup pattern, and cup patterns, they look like this. So it'll be something like this. Then it does this, then it's going to want to break this highs and go to the upside, probably retest and continue to the upside. So that's how cup patterns, cup handle patterns are used, right? So now I'm looking at here, I see price did make a higher low and went up and broke this high to create a new higher high, right? And now it seems like it's coming down for a correction, or either going to continue to the downside. Now let's go to the 4-hour just to get a proper perspective of what is happening. And as you can see here, I'm gonna just do that. And if we are correct that it's a cup, it will end up breaking here and continuing to the upside, meaning that we would be expecting a strong dollar. So I'm going to wait until this level here around 92.397, and once if price gets to there, that's when I'll be confident that it wants to proceed to the upside, and I will get into the opportunities given to continue with the uptrend to the upside, right? As you can see, it went up, came down again, went up, and it came down, so it could be a potential reversal before shooting to the upside. But for now, seems like it's within a cell structure, and as you can see, I put the ascending line, knowing that if it breaks through, it's confirming a downtrend. Also here, if it continues to go to break through the structure here, I know that we'll be expecting a bit of a weaker dollar, to where honestly I don't know. I really do not know where. But I would, this is a 3 to 1, so I would run this out until this levels here, around this levels here. As you can see, market has reacted a couple of times here. As you can see, it has reacted a couple of times on the zone. Went up, broke through, went up, respected it, went up, broke through, went up, respected it, and went up. So it shows that it is a significant level, and that's where the price might go before initially going back to the upside. So now, knowing that, we are still not sure of like where price must go, as you can see. So us not being sure about where price should go, for me, I'm very much so confident in myself, because I trade what the market tells me. So I'm not worried at this point, concerned of I'm not really sure what I'm going to do when I get to this other pairs, right? But like I said, we're going to wait for structure to tell us what to do. Then we get to GBPUSD, and already analyzed this, guys. So I'll just be going to why I came up with this. And also, as you can see here, we have price that went down, went up again, respected this area, and continued to the downside to try completing a double top formation, right? But as you can see, we might have a young correction. We might have a young correction before continuing to the downside. But also, why I say the downside is because this resistance here was respected, and this was like, it respected it here from April 8th, then it went down for months, and only in from last year, sorry, and only this year, 21, 22 Feb 21, it touched, went down, touched again, and goes down. So we might just expect the euro dollar to gain strength, and if it does, we're going to be selling this till this levels around here to fill up 90% of this area. But then we always try being at the current market, guys. We're not trying to go what is this called? We're not trying to what's the saying called? We are not trying to look, I'm losing my train of thought. We're trying to be in the current market and not ahead or too far from what's happening in the actual market. And as you can see, I already took a trade here, which is looking great. This could be a slight retracement, so we're expecting something like, see, price went down, then went up, went down, then it went up again. So hopefully it might continue to go down to the upside, and if it does, I'll show you guys what I'll be waiting to enter. But this, guys, I'm sure you guys are wondering, why is this setup still here? It's to just show me that we are still in a sell. So if anything can happen here whereby we get a sell signal, I know that I can confirm, I can enter it with confidence, right? And now we go to 4, and that was the daily. And as you can see, structure properly, right? Now we can see structure properly. It rejected here, we got a Twizzler bottom, and it's going to the upside. Price is going to the upside. So now we'll go to the 4 hour just to check price. And from what I'm seeing here is that we would like to fill up 90% of the structure here. So price might turn around here, if not here, but 90% would be probably around, yeah, somewhere around here, which is great and I'm content with. Let's just check here. As you can see also, guys, it could be a reversal, you understand? So now if it's reversing like this, we might get a confirmation around this level here, or here showing us evening stars, meaning that there could be potential of direction to the downside, and that's what I'm going to use as a sign to continue to the downside, helped by this. But for now, noticing that price has rejected this support level of 1,37555 and is going to the upside, I'm looking to fill this up, and after filling it up, we could take we could take this pair and sell it to the downside after this small buy. Now we're going to the 1 hour. As you can see, we're in a correction, ascending, and it's gonna come with the third touch here, so we might break through, come here, then from this level here it might reject, or here, then go to the downside. And these are the higher highs, which are significant highs for this pattern. So I use this significant highs as also they are the current highs of the market structure. You don't want to be using this irrelevant stuff here. You're trying to be current with the past probably month or 3 weeks, right? We're not trying to be too far. So with that said, we're using it as levels that, okay, if it doesn't turn around here, it breaks through here and doesn't respect this, it might potentially come here, either break this or respect this, and this is where we could take our trade. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about if price breaks through here, we know it's going to retest and continue to the upside, right? And when it gets here, it's either going to break through, come back to retest and continue to the upside, or price can do this. It's gonna go bah, reject, retest, continue to the downside. That's what could happen, the possibilities of what could happen. With that said, let's go to the Euro USD. I'm already in a Euro USD trade. I'm already in a USD trade. I don't know if I analyzed using this. Yep. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm already in a USD trade, going to the upside. Just maybe I analyzed on the wrong one, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yep, as you can see, this is the structure I bought at and I'm still holding, and these are the entries, barcode entries that I have in. So yeah, let's hope price goes to the upside, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day, good day. And basically, and go to the weekly. As you can see, we have information. This is a slight correction happening, which you guys will be able to see on the lower time frame. So now let me just change it and go here, right, for you guys to see properly what I'm saying. So it's on this level here, it respected this level here instead of it coming to fulfill the double bottom, right, guys? So now let's go to the lower time frame. I'm going to go to the daily. As you can see, price has respected this area here, and this is a morning star, meaning that it always comes in whereby there's a potential of change direction. Like this one here, an example. You see this one here, look, after what happened, it continued to go to the downside. So the same as here, we basically using this to determine that it's a slight buy to the upside, probably until here or somewhere half here. Then we're gonna take price and continue to go down as the dollar gains strength, right? Now going to the 4 hour, and as we go to the lower time frame, you get to see the market much proper, right? And as you can see, this is where we bought. This is a beautiful entry we got in here, and we're expecting price to go to the upside until like around here. Yeah, until around here. If it does break through here, we're seeing price potentially coming here, which is great, guys. Great. So if also you've missed it, and by the time you're seeing this, it's here, and you see price continue up, you can put a 35 pip and then continue to the upside. So this is where you would enter and let it run. But like I said, guys, this looks like a short trade. So if price does break through, please try securing your profits as quick as possible. Probably once it gets here, it's either you're gonna get out or you're gonna put your stop loss and let price run up. So something like this, right? So you're gonna be triggered. Price is probably gonna do something, go up, then probably come down, and probably go to the upside or continue to break to the downside. So those are the reasons why I'm encouraging you guys to secure the profits. As I entered early, like a few hours ago, I entered the market. So far so good. US30, I'm still in a buy. Nothing has changed. Still going to the upside, and as you can see, price is rejecting this levels here where it has been wicking on the resistance. So now it broke through and it's retesting it, and it will continue to go hopefully to the upside. But I'm in profits already, so I'm going to hold my profits as we continue to go to the upside, and enter more trades. I'll probably enter more trades once I see once I'll see a proper, maybe I would enter here, but for now I'll wait, guys. I'm very content with what I have. I'm very happy, so I can wait as well. So yesterday really there's not much happening, and I'm also going to this as well. I'm already in this trades, guys. As you can see, I'm in the trades, and this was a trade showed by my friend. My friend showed me this, and I was like, I'm absolutely going to take this trade. There is no way I am missing out. As you can see, price respect this support as it broke. It hit it once, went down, did a double bottom, then continued to come to the neckline. It hit it, retested, then broke through, retested a bit again, and went to the upside. Then it came back, retested this support 10 resistance 10 support, and respected it and went to the upside. So seeing this, right, I want to take price, I was seeing this as a correction and wanted to see price go to the upside, go to the downside. But as you can see, price just might respect this area. So I caught it on this touches here because I'm using the uptrend. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So now we're expecting it to go to the upside. If it doesn't go to the upside, it's going to respect this area and go to the downside and break through and fill up this pattern structure right here, which is great. And I'll be able to take that trade and go with it to the downside. So far I'm happy. So far so good. I'm happy. I'm content. Yeah, man. That's it for this week, and I know it was pretty quick, and I went through it very quickly, guys. Those are the trades I'll be taking. Very direct. I don't think they too complicated. yeah, guys, I hope you are able to see h- how I'm going to go about this week and the trades that I'm going to take. So far, I'm in a Euro USD and a gold setup and a US30 setup. So for me, I'm good for now. I'm good for now. So we'll see how the day progresses, and as it goes on, we will do modifications and make sure that we win profits and we are good. So yeah, guys, hope you're able to see what's happening. Please do subscribe, press the like button and the subscribe button. um yeah, I'll be dropping more content this week, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it, man. So I hope you guys are able to see what will be happening, and I can't wait to have you guys at the end of the week for us to discuss what had happened here. So without wasting any further time, peace out.